Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how we can share a ChatGPT conversation link. So what we need to do? Pretty simple. If you take a closer look at the top right corner, you will see a share button right here. So click on that and you need to wait a little bit. Well, and here it is. Now this is what you will share, and here you have options what you can do. So LinkedIn, Reddit, X, or copy link. Click on that. So now we have linked copied, and if I try to paste it right over here, it will open up uh, this ChatGPT chat. So this is basically how you can share your chat with others through the link. And this is it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next